Welcome to the exciting world of AI-powered animation. In this video, we're going to take you on a creative journey, showing you how to create an AI animation video for free. Make sure you watch till the end so you can make $125. First, go to Google, sign up to be a ChatGPT member. Choose a topic. The topic I'll be using is going to the dentists. Ask ChatGPT to write a script about going to the dentists. Once generated, copy and paste the text onto Word documents or Notepad. Next, we need a high-quality voiceover. Go to your search bar, type in 11 Labs. Copy and paste the script you made from ChatGPT. Choose the best automation voice that fits your liking.
Sarah and Mrs. Johnson sit in the waiting room. Sarah anxiously taps her foot. Sarah, mumbling, "I wish I could just avoid this place forever." Mrs. Johnson, smiling, "It won't be that bad, sweetie."
Next, we need a background image for the video. For background images, we can use Google Images. Once the image is downloaded, head over to YOUCUT. The app we'll be using is called YOUCUT. You can add images and animations to make your background pop. Next, let's create a speaking character to make the video more engaging. Just type in "free animation maker for YouTube" in web browser. Click on the Adobe Express website. Now let's select a character for your video. Once you've selected a character, let's add the audio file from the ChatGPT script. Go back to 11 Labs to generate the audio file. Select the audio file from Downloads folder. Once completed, make sure you add a green screen to your character.
Do I have to go? I hate the dentist!
Lastly, add your character to your background. To remove the green screen, click on Chroma. Repeat steps like so.
Sarah, it's time for your dentist appointment.
Do I have to go? I hate the dentist!
Now, let's get that $125. Go to opencare.com or just click the link in my description. Follow these steps.